One question that came up recently is in a trust, obviously part of it is privacy, right? A person writes a trust, they empower the trustee, successor trustee, and they have documents that don't disclose all the assets and all the goings on of the trust. There are oftentimes people who think they're heirs, spouses, children, who are specifically written out of the trust. What rights, if any, does an heir or a family member who would normally be an heir, what rights, if any, do they have to investigate the assets of the trust and to see if things are being done properly, or do they?
Yeah, I mean, as an heir at law under probate code, you'll be able to get a copy of it. You're just going to be provided a 1606 1.7 notice saying that trustor has passed away on trustee. Typically provide key provisions of the trust. Say here's paragraphs 1, 7, 8, 10, very random specific provisions. If you think that there is questionable behavior for the creation of the trust or the trustee conduct, you can bring a petition again in probate court and demand copies of the documents. If you're a beneficiary of the trust, you demand accountings. So your investigation rights are pretty strong as an heir. If it's in San Diego County, I can get a copy of the trust.
You get copies that include the list of the assets of the trust?
Yeah, usually.
Oh, wow. Very nice to know. And what, so if a client came to you, what does it cost to hire you to do those functions, to represent a filing and to get to where they get the assets?
Yeah, it depends on the nature of the claims. If we are a beneficiary and we know we're a beneficiary and we just want an accounting, we're probably in the $5,000 to $7,500 mark to do accounting demands and bring a petition for accounting. If we are invalidating a document, if we're saying this was a product of undue influence or grandma, grandpa didn't have capacity to enter into this contract, we are invalidating it. That's a much larger retainer, probably a $20,000 retainer to take a case through trial on a capacity issue. Is you're easily looking over 6 figures, well over 6 figures. Accounting disputes are somewhere in 30 to 50 total, probably, if you take it through trial.
Wow. Okay.